Welcome back. I am Edot Reep, and I appreciate you for tuning in. So as you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, this is my reaction or point of view of what's going on right now in the sneaker community, man. This news broke the internet. Everybody's talking about it. It's all over social media. You can't get away from it. I usually don't do these types of videos, but I feel like it'd be a good topic, man, to talk about. So I'm trying to keep this video as short as I can, just because I know y'all want to just see me talking for a while, but I will go more in depth on Clubhouse this weekend. The Retail to Resell series. That'll be episode 4. Tune in to Clubhouse. Follow me if you haven't done so already. I will link that in the description below. But yeah, shout out to Dreamed It. Appreciate the shirt. And before we get started, this is a lot going on. But yeah, a lot of you won't like what I have to say, and that's alright, because it's YouTube. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion, and I jumped in front of the camera to share mine with the world, so it's open for whatever. The comment section is a free space. It's a safe space. Do what you gotta do in the comments. Let me know, disagree, rebuttal, call me out, whatever you want to do. Just do it down below in the comments. So let's go ahead and get started, man. So Ann Hebert, I think I'm saying it right, Hebert. If it's not, somebody correct me, but I'm pretty sure it's Hebert. I don't know. It doesn't matter anyway. She doesn't even work with Nike no more. So she was a former VP or GM in the North American region. And I know one of her main duties was to oversee the sneakers app. And her son, West Coast Joe, or Joe Hebert, 19-year-old reseller, man. And of course, Nike employee, like she's really high in the company. Then her son is a reseller, so you put 2 and 2 together. You like, okay, he getting back doors from my dukes. And I mean, before I go any further, I'm not mad at him. I am not mad at him at all. He used his resources. Anybody in that position would do the same thing. I know y'all probably saying I'm crazy, but y'all know for a fact, if you could get in the resale game and your mom is basically your plug at Nike, like, come on, bro. Not saying she really did it, but See, like I said, it's all over the place. Check it out. Bobby Sneaker World, he just posted this joint. And that's Joe with all his shoes. So yeah, I'm on Instagram so I can go to his page, man, so I can get some evidence. Oh, I gotta find this page. I think it's West Coast Kicks or something. Oh, West Coast Streetwear. So when I followed this dude earlier today, he was at 34K. Now he's at 55. So I'm gonna talk about that later on in the video. So yeah, I'm trying to stay off to the side so I can just like post like random pictures up here. But so basically, the news broke because he did a report or interview with Bloomberg. So if y'all doing anything y'all not supposed to be doing illegally, y'all scheming, scamming, or whatever, don't snitch on yourself. He would have never, nobody would know if he didn't snitch on himself to Bloomberg. Like what was the point? Why do y'all do stuff and snitch on yourself? That makes no sense to me. But anyway. So yeah, he's been doing this for a while, I guess. And back in 2018, his mom actually informed Nike that her son had a resale business. And it was determined that there was no violation of company policy. So Nike knew back in 2018. So now it's 2021, and she had to resign because the story came out. I don't like that. Like, if it was that big of a problem, in 2018 she should have been out of there. Don't wait until the news surfaces. So and then she had to resign, because the backlash, it's crazy. Y'all knew in 2018, but now all of a sudden it's a big problem. But I mean, she was ahead of sneakers, so I mean, it's not a good look either way. And the crazy thing is, she got, I guess the whole situation or whatever kind of blew up due to her son using her company American Express card. So basically, he took his mom's. I don't know. It's like a lot of stories between, depending on what article you read. But the main one, they were saying that her son, West Coast Joe, ran up 132 bands on the company American Express card on Yeezy supply for these joints. For the Zion 350s. He bought it. They said him and his friends or his group or his company, whatever, they bought it. Enough pairs that ran up 132,000 on the company card. Now, don't get me wrong. The shoe is fire. But is a shoe really worth your job at the end of the day? I don't think so. But his mom, she caught a straight bullet on this one, bro. He had his own business. He sucked her into it, man. Got her fired, bro. It's crazy. But a lot of people have been saying that, this is why I can't hit no sneakers. This is why I can't get shoes. Blah, blah. No. This is not why. Bots are the reason you can't hit no sneakers. West Coast Joe and his mom doing what they were doing. That's not why you couldn't hit no sneakers. Because if she was really backdooring the shoes for him, which, it's a lot of speculation, but no one really knows. But let's say she was backdooring, right? Usually if you're going to backdoor, though, that amount of pairs, that allocation is not going to be included on like the numbers loaded on the sneakers app. So say there's 10,000 pairs that will be loaded on the sneakers app. Or potentially loaded on the sneakers app. She backdoors 2,000. So the number loaded on the sneakers app will be 8,000, okay? So you still have 8,000 pairs free to the public, right? Now, the bots, I want to say, well, whenever companies backload their stock on the website or whatever, like they do it in advance. So the bots know how many pair are on the site before the release. Like, you don't stand a chance if whoever's botting, everybody that bots knows how many pairs that this particular site or app is going to get in advance. And they can run their programs the night before to add autos to cart and automatic checkout. They can cop 200, 300 pairs in their sleep. And you're on your one cell phone trying to get your size at 10 o'clock, bro. You're going to lose every time, bro. So West Coast Joe and his mom is not the reason that you're not hitting on sneakers app. It's a cool thing to throw out there, I guess, since, it's headline news, but bro, they're not the reason. So don't even, like, I see a lot of people saying that. Like, granted, it's a crazy situation. I understand a lot of people are mad. But at the end of the day, he uses resources. Like, I can't knock the man for using his resources. Like, he didn't ask for his mom to work at Nike. It just happened. She worked her way up the ladder to a position where he could use her resources. Now, from a lot of stuff I was reading, it said, of course, that he didn't get any inside information from his mom. And, of course, she backed it up because, you can't make it worse than what it is. But he did state that he used her discount to buy in bulk from a Nike outlet, which nothing is wrong with that. He has a resale business. A lot of decent shoes hit the outlet depending on the area you're in. So I'm pretty sure they were in Oregon. I want to because the West Coast. I'm pretty sure they were up there in Oregon, probably Portland or whatever. I didn't look at their background or whatever, but let's just say they're in Oregon, Nike headquarters. The stuff that hits that outlet or whatever outlet in that area is probably gonna be some good stuff. And your mom has a Nike account where you can use a discount, and you have a reselling business. and there's no limit to what you can purchase. For the most part. Now, some outlets might be different. But if there's no limit to the stuff you can purchase, you're getting stuff from the low already, or getting stuff for the low already because it's an outlet, and you can use a discount? Come on, bro. Y'all cannot sit up there and tell me that y'all wouldn't do the same thing. Because I know I would. And I wouldn't think twice about it. So, be mad all you want to, but this got to be real with yourself, man. If y'all were in the same position as West Coast Joe, y'all do the same thing. That's all I'm saying. But yeah, bots are the issue, not West Coast Joe, not his mom's. But this is definitely a crazy story, man. I know a lot of people have been posting about this video. I mean, about this situation. They're making their own videos. I haven't watched any of them yet because I wanted to get mine out the way first with my thoughts and opinions before I watch anybody else. Because I don't want them to sway me either way, or I don't want to change my mind. I want just a raw, uncut video for you guys. But yeah, damn. It's crazy to think that, you know, it took a report or an interview for all this to come out, and Nike knew back in 2018. And don't you think for a second she was the only one doing this, John? Like, just imagine, this is one person. You know how many employees Nike has? Like, come on, bro. This is, like I said, this is not the reason you guys can't hit on releases. There's like a whole, I could do a whole another video about this. I wish I can go live, man. Get me to 1,000 subscribers, man, so I can start going live. I have a lot of stuff to talk about, but it can't just fit in these videos. Like, I'm already at 12 minutes right now. I didn't even want it to be this long, but once I start getting in the moment, man, yeah. Over this shoe, man. Mom's lost her job. Well, had to resign over this shoe right here, bro. But yeah, shout out to West Coast, what was it? West Coast Streetwear. Because his business is about to go crazy. Because think about it. You're a reseller, you have your own company. And news just broke that your mom was the VP. Come on, and Nike, she oversaw the sneakers app. Your credibility is going through the roof off Rip. Because, okay, then his mom worked for Nike. I know she still got people on the inside. He probably got people on the inside. His shoes are legit. No questions asked. Like, this just helped it. It helped him more than it hurt him, I believe, in the long run. He still has connections. Y'all see the pictures over here. I'm pretty sure I threw up a lot of these joints. Y'all see the quantities, the numbers he's working with. He made some connects along the way. Don't get it twisted. If he was smart, I mean, he could be green, and you know, he just messed up his bread. But if he was smart, he still got his connects, and she still has connects. And I guarantee you, money talks. You know, they slide him some bread, you know, whatever. Business as usual. She just don't have the title. And he's in the spotlight. So, that's my take on this thing, man. If y'all want to hear more, like I said, tune in this weekend to Clubhouse. Retail to resell. See, yeah, I had to cut this J short, man. Like, yeah. But yeah, like I said, Retail to Resell episode 4. This will definitely be the main topic. So if y'all want to hear more, tune in, man. You like what you saw, don't hesitate to click that like button. Also subscribe, man. Share this video to whoever you think will want to see what I'm talking about. If anybody's interested in sneakers. If anybody you know that's really argumentative, that likes their rebuttal, has something to say about everything, send this to them, because I want them to go crazy in the comments. Because I want to hear what everybody thinks. Because I feel like I'm one of the few people that had this, like, opinion on the situation. A lot of people they're just mad. But once you, like, dissect it, you know, you can't be so mad. And I was on the other side of the fence as well. So, like, it's all about networking. It's all about who you know with shoes. Like, that's the sneaker game, man. this is not going to stop. Either you pay resale for everything. You either get the early pairs and spend that bread so you don't have to worry about it. Or you're like me. Retail or bust, you know what I'm saying? You might pay resale for certain items, but you don't want to go over a certain threshold. And you just put in your bid for every raffle. You lose sleep on release days, you know, try to hit the European drops at 3-something, 2-something in the morning. That doesn't work. You take a nap. You get up again 10 o'clock or 9, whatever, to try to hit the foot sites, sneakers, and all that. So it's just a sneaker game, man. So it is what it is, man. Resellers, bots, they're not going anywhere. Nike likes resellers because they drive the hype up. But this, like the shoe come out, they drive the hype. Like, just think about it. These Zions, right? Oh, my battery is gonna die soon. So okay, that's my cue. That's the. If y'all want a part 2, like this video. 50 likes, I'll give you a part 2. Because I had a lot more to say, but that's a sign. I got to get off this joint. So, hope y'all like this video, man. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Get me to 1K so I can start going live. We can have fun. But yeah, that's it, man. It's been your boy Edot Reep, man. Got the Zion 350s. Shout out to West Coast Joe. Hope you flourish, bro. We out.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and now y'all excited.